Till our previous video, we have seen how driver node works, how JVM powers Spark, and how Python code is converted to Java, and the term lazy evaluation. Addition to that, we also see worker node and UDF. In continuation to that, next video.
Hello to world. So this is a very small video over a Databricks account, and you have to head over toward this link, logindatabricks.com. Definitely this will be in your description as well. Just copy paste from there, and please make sure you are able to see the free edition here. Okay, either you can continue with a Google or Microsoft or email. I will prefer to go with a Google one. If you have Microsoft email as well, something with your username @outlook.com, you can continue with that as well, or either the email. Okay, it is very simple process. It will guide you throughout, and you don't have to provide any credit card. Nothing is required. No cloud subscription. It is just a very basic thing that will guide you throughout. Okay, after your sign up, come to over this login.databricks.com. You will be redirected here. If not, again, the link will be provided in the description. Okay, just enter your email here. gmail.com. Okay, and when you will continue with it, it is going to send you a code basically in your email ID, which you have used at the time of sign up. Okay, so just enter that and put it here. It will take you to the Databricks environment. Let me do a full screen of it now. So it's loading and it's continuously loading. So this is a complete free tier of this. Okay, it is a Databricks, as you can see here. Free edition is written over here, right? So you make sure this is written over here. Okay, and definitely there will be something you might be seeing these all things, and we will be discussing what you need to do here. Okay, and you will see workspaces here. Okay, different workspaces will be present for you. I believe just one workspace, that is the user workspace with your credential, will be present here. You are seeing different thing here: Apache Spark Guide, data, this Databricks AWS Lakehouse Manufacturer Pipeline. Everything is related to me because I have made certain projects here, and definitely I'm going to share it with you as well. And these are very amazing projects from from creating complete medallion architecture, rejected file, and we have handled multiple things here. We have jobs and pipeline. I will be discussing this more in much more detail, how to orchestrate your job and much more. So, but before that, you have to learn the basics, right? You have to learn the basics. What are notebooks? How to run a notebook? How to create a notebook? How to create SQL classes? Sorry, SQL files. So all of that you need to head over to the next session. Okay, thank you.